This tutorial is for replacing the old keyboard of this Asus laptop. The problem with this keyboard is the power button. First of all, disassemble the laptop to get access on the base panel where the keyboard is located. To remove the small plastic rivets holding the keyboard, you can use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Be careful not to damage the base panel. Wear some eye protection as some of the plastics fly off. This process takes a while and requires patience as it is not easy to remove the rivets in the center. Remove the plastic insulation and other grounding tape around the edge of the keyboard. Set aside the plastic insulation as it is needed to be returned when the new keyboard is replaced. Oops. Sorry for the wobbly footage, I bumped the camera. removing the old keyboard, brush off any dirt or dust on the key slots. Now get the new keyboard and gently put it in place. Reattach all of the conductive tapes that we peeled off before. To attach the keyboard permanently to the base panel, I used the tip of the soldering iron to melt bits of the old rivets to set them in place. Be careful when using soldering iron, as it can cause you burns or create holes in the base panel if left for a long period. If soldering iron is not available, you can use other methods like putting dabs of hot glue on the rivet holes. Just be creative. After finishing all the rivets, take the plastic insulator we took off before and prepare it for reinstallation. Put new double-sided tape as the old adhesive does not stick anymore. Carefully install the insulation and avoid putting pressure on the keyboard flex cable. Now it's time to put back the laptop together and test out the new keyboard. The old keyboard problem is the power button. Now we can test it. After the machine boots up to its operating system, you can go to your browser and search for online keyboard tester to confirm if all the keys works properly, or you can open a new notepad to test typing. Thank you for watching my simple tutorial. A sub and like will do a lot.